Ready to give Showit a go? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to create an account as a new Showit user and sign up for a 14-day free trial. If you're new around here, my name is Tessa and I am the designer behind StyleMaker Studio. Here on my channel, you can find the best tips and tools that you need to update your Showit website quickly and easily so that you can save time, skip the overwhelm, and focus on tasks that actually make a difference to your bottom line. If this sounds good to you, hit the subscribe button below as well as the bell icon to be notified each time I post a new video. Okay, so if you've never used Showit before, creating an account is your first step. Showit offers a 14-day free trial so that you can test out the platform before you decide to become an official subscriber. You don't need to worry about entering your credit card information to get access to the free trial either. During the trial period, you won't be able to connect your domain or publish your site, but 14 days is a good amount of time to get a feel for how everything works. I have no doubt that you'll end up loving Showit as much as I do, so I'll be providing an exclusive discount code for first-time subscribers at the end of this video. Okay, let's get started. Step 1. Head over to the Showit website. As you can see along the top menu, we can view website designs, look at pricing options, view a showcase of Showit websites, get help, log into our account, and create a new site. Showit also provides an opportunity to demo the platform before you've even signed up for a free trial. If you're hesitant about handing over your email address, this demo option allows you to preview the dashboard and all of the features Showit offers before you even sign up. Okay, so step 2. We can select either create your site or start your free trial. As we scroll down the homepage, there are several opportunities to sign up for a free trial. We can either select one of the Start Your Free Trial buttons or simply go to the top menu and select Create New Site. Selecting Choose a Design to start with will direct you to the Showit Marketplace, where you can browse the free and premium website designs created by Showit design partners. Okay, so we can go ahead and click on Create New Site. From there, we can enter our email address. This can be updated down the track if need be, and then we want to press Submit. Once we've pressed Submit, we'll be directed to the account info page where we can enter our information. As I mentioned earlier, you do not need to enter your credit card information to sign up for a free trial. Now keep in mind that the free trial will not commence until the account information page has been completed and submitted. After you've completed the account information page, you'll be immediately directed to the Showit dashboard where you can select a free template to start with, and that's all there is to it. It's easy as that. So one thing to note, once your free trial ends, you will not be able to access the Showit dashboard or any of your website designs unless you subscribe to the platform. If you want more Showit tips and tutorials, press the subscribe button below as well as the bell icon to be notified each time I post a new video. I'll see you next time.